Good evening. A little late with this video. Market just opened on a Sunday, but I haven't made one of these in a few weeks. I've been a little sick, but overall, I'm back, so I'm going to start doing these videos again. Overall, these are the pairs I'm going to look at for this week. These are just swing trades, so these trades, I don't like to really trade on Sundays, so I'll wait till tomorrow morning to see the direction of a lot of these pairs. And when I get into these trades, you will see it on my Instagram. Also on my trading view page as well. I'll be a lot better with keeping up with that. And I have noticed that my trading has been shitty when I don't keep track of it. And it's exceptional when I do keep track of it. So these videos are both for my benefit and yours. This is not also including, and especially if you see some of my posts, my updates on Instagram, it's not including that I also trade the 15-minute chart throughout the day. Just because a 15-minute chart is also an amazing time frame to day trade, and that's how you could be pulling 50 pips a day or whatever. But these swing trades right here that I'm posting now, these are going to be a few hundred pips a week. So I like to swing trade, I like to day trade, I like to trade all day, every single day, because you can benefit from all time frames, especially if you have the time for it. So anyways, these are the pairs that I will be looking at throughout this week. The EURJPY, the Euro Japanese Yen, all Japanese Yen pairs I will be looking at this week, just for your information. Just because they all took a hit last week, so I'm looking for a reversal. We'll go to the weekly chart. Testing weekly lows right here. Again, back to that beautiful line chart. Yeah, we're hitting lows right here. Let's see the monthly real quick. Yeah, hitting previous monthly levels. This is a nice, oh, look at this. This is a monthly level. These are the strongest levels you're going to see. So it's rejecting this again. It's coming back down to this. We could probably see further down, coming down a little bit, but in the end, I'm still looking to go long on this pair. Probably a back up here. Just for this week, I mean, obviously longer for swing trading. You could probably try to shoot for up here, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So, and all these Japanese Yen pairs will be looking alike this week. So this is my outlook. I'm really looking. Again, I'm not entering the trade yet. It is a Sunday, but this is what I'll be looking to do with this pair. About 100 pip stop loss, more than I would like, but again, you're looking at 300 pip gain. Let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick. Man, this looks good. I'm not going to lie. This looks good now. Shit. But again, I don't trade. Damn it. I don't trade Sundays. Damn it. But I feel like I'm going to regret this in the morning if I don't get into this trade now. Anyway, again, I'll post it on my Instagram. So just to make the stop loss a little tighter, we could probably do something like this for this week. Yes, delete this. Too big. Anyway, just for this week, what we're looking at. 200 pip move. I don't know. I might enter this like now. So 60 pip stop loss, almost a 4-to-1 ratio. That looks really nice. For the Euro Japanese Yen, I'm looking to long all Euro pairs. So hold on, I drink my coffee. Looking at long all Euro pairs for this week. This was the fact that the Euro did take a hit last week. But they mostly all are at like support zones. We're talking like the Euro, New Zealand dollar. Anyway, we'll get to that. I'll show you right now. Let's go to the next pair. British pound. I freaking love this pair just because of its correlation with the British pound pairs. I killed it the last day, I think Thursday or Friday. I did time this trade wrong, but the EURGBP, if you can master this currency pair alone, you can dominate British pound pairs because this moves in almost, I would say, a direct core, not direct like 100%, but when this goes up, British pound goes down. That means all British pound pairs go down. Back test it, you'll see it. So this is probably the first pair that I'll look at. I mean, I look at these pairs more than the US dollar. I'm not a big fan of trading the US dollar. I don't know. I am a United States citizen, but I do not like trading the dollar. But I really like this. I'm loving this inside bar right here. This is beautiful. So looking to long all euro pairs. But anyways, so being that I'm going to long this, you're going to see real soon why I'm going to short the British pound this week. So this is how it's going to look. And again, I'll leave these. I place these tomorrow. I'll literally leave them for the week. And I'll just check them a few times a day and probably trail my stop loss. I've noticed that when I place trades on a Monday, they can take 2 or 3 days, and then I'll be an idiot and close them out. And then the freaking next day, or like Friday morning, they'll hit my take profit. And then all weekend, I'm crying like a little bitch. So I'm placing these. Damn. If this candle closes like that, we're talking about a doji here. We're talking about an inverted hammer here, which is this signal right there. When you have a big wick, I mean, if you don't know what an inverted hammer is, find out. But these are beautiful reversal candlestick formations. So look at that. This is my view for the Euro GBP. Again, long all euro pairs. Let's go to the next pair. Euro USD. Again, I said I didn't trade USD pairs, but I am long on the euro. We're looking at it. It's rejecting the 61.8 Fibonacci level. It's rejecting this level right here again. Go to the daily chart. So you see the last candle on Friday it rejected this level beautifully. And usually, guys, when you see a candle like this rejecting, that means most likely the market wants to reverse. Now, this big bar closed at the low of the wick, and it's like a full, like this bad boy. I mean, obviously reverse, but I would probably be a little more hesitant. But you see like this one right here, how that wick is there, it rejected off this level. It's showing you that sellers, I mean, this is my viewpoint, that sellers are now a little scared. They're like, you know what? It rejected this level. Let's get out of our positions. So both buyers going in and sellers getting out is what causes these spikes. Look at, look at this. Now again, sellers come and they shit their pants because of this rejection. Everybody gets out, buyers get in, bam. And it's just a beautiful thing. It is an absolute beautiful thing. So, Euro USD, I'm looking to long that. Again, inside doji, rejection, inside bar. Let's see on the lower time frame of the hourly if we see anything. I mean, you could have just went in right here after this candle. So, let's see how this would look. This is how I would do it. 144 pips for profit, 28 pip stop loss. Again, it's probably going to come down. You don't know what's going to happen. Let's go to the hourly. See if we got a tighter stop loss. No, that's about right. That is about right. So, yep. Nice 5-to-1 risk ratio. A little over 5, right? Yeah. Almost 5.5. That's beastly. So what are you going to lose? 30 pips on that trade? Anyway, Euro USD. Look like I'm going long. Euro New Zealand dollar. Let's look at this bad boy. I'm also going to try to do daily reviews of the Forex market just because that helps too. Just, oh man, look at this. Rejection, rejection, rejection. You don't always have to necessarily look for pin bars. You can just look for rejections off of these levels, and that's how you get the best, absolute best entry. But it does take balls, it does take skill, it takes experience as well. So anyway, let's do this. Let me see very briefly if there is any kind of big, although I don't really trade the news, I think it's a waste of time because no one knows what the hell the news is going to do, but move price either in your direction or it's going to go crazy. No big news tomorrow, no big news on Tuesday. Nothing exciting this week, really. Last week was there was a lot of news. But anyway, getting rejection off these levels. Probably looking to do this week. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. That's where I'm in 200 pips, 50 pip stop loss. Probably put it down here. Almost 3-to-1. This one's not too crazy. But still looks good. Also being that I think the New Zealand dollar is looking weak as well. Hold on one second. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Anyway, next pair. Again, long or euro pairs. Now let's go to the British pound pairs. These are nice. Man, look at, can you see what I'm saying? Like, remember the euro British pound pair? How it looked exactly opposite this? Look at this hammer. If this closes, I'm entering this trade. Which, when's it going to close? In an hour and a half. And like, guys, if this hits my stop loss, I can't be mad because my analysis is all to my rules. What are the rules to trading and to trading success? First, these are my rules. Look at this. Beautiful. 4 to 1, almost 4 to 1, over 4 to 1. Rule, is price at a level? Yes. Price is at this level. It is at resistance. Now, is it doing any kind of candle formation? We're talking about a pin bar, engulfing candle, a doji. We got to invert. This inverted hammer, to me, is as powerful or even more powerful than the pin bar signal. This is just a beautiful, it's like basically an upside down pin bar on both sides. It's a beautiful, beautiful signal. And you're going to see it. And I think I ignored it so much because I was always looking for pin bars that when I fell in love with this, I'm telling you, it was love at first sight. Again, back to the rules. Price has to be at a level. Now, what level is it? Is it a ranging level? Or is it a breakout and retest? Like, what are you trading? Are you trading a range or are you trading a trend? If you're trading a trend, for instance, if price broke out, the only way I'll enter if it's price retested. Sometimes price breaks out, and if you have the balls and you are confident in the trade, you can just enter at the close of the breakout candle. You know, trade with a smaller stop loss. And if it comes back down, guess what? Most likely it's not. You know, because price broke out at that level already. More often than not, price will keep going. But I do like to wait for the retests. But sometimes the retests don't happen. So like this is what market is this? It's a ranging market. How do I know that? Because price is not making higher highs and higher lows, and it's not making lower highs or lower lows. It's neither an uptrend, it's neither a downtrend. Neither is it a choppy market. A choppy market is something disgusting, like maybe this right here. This is a choppy market. This is like, this is just, you don't even know what the hell to do with that. That's choppy. That's disgusting. But here, bam. It's like ping pong, just bam, 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 bam. This is a ranging market. So what are my rules for a ranging market? I'm selling at resistance. I am buying at support according to any rejection of that level, whether it's a candlestick confirmation, like I said, pin bars, or even just if I'm very confident in that trade, and if other pairs like it are also showing. So for instance, the British pound, Canadian dollar we're looking at now, I can see that now maybe there is no pin bar. But if I go to the EURGBP and I see that there is a pin bar at support and it's going to go up, that means British pound going down. Or if I go to the British pound Japanese yen and it's also at resistance and it prints a pin bar, like that's why you have to look at all the pairs with the currency you're trading. Because this might just go down, but if you go to another British pound pair, you'll see that, damn, look at that pin bar. You know what I mean? Like, so look at the other pairs as well. But this is beautiful. This I'm going to short. Once the candle closes in about an hour and a half. And that's it. So this is a British pound Canadian dollar. Again, shorting British pound pairs this week. British pound JPY. Now this is the only different one just because you know, I'm not going to even touch this one, to be honest with you. I just don't like it. I don't know. I don't know if it's too late. And the British pound I'm short on. So yes, I would like to short this pair. I mean, you know what? I just might long this pair with just a smaller lot, just because I am short on I think the Japanese yen is going to get weak this week, and yeah, this is what I'll do. Nothing crazy. Damn, nothing crazy. It's almost 300 pips. Yeah, this is not really small. If not, damn, this looks good, but it's only like a 2 to 1. It's not that much. It's not much you want to be risking too much money on. So what I'll do, I'll probably go to the 15-minute and day trade this. Just look for candlestick confirmation. So the only way I'll go long is if here on the 15-minute chart, if price breaks this level. Once a candle closes out of this level, I am going so long up to here. So this is where the smaller time frames come into play. So this is what I'll look at. Hopefully, damn it. Oh. So this is how I'll do it. I'll wait for price to break. Damn it. All right. I'll wait for price to break out of here, come back to retest, and go up. And you see, look, you got a way better risk to reward, almost over 3 to 1. So yeah, now you got to keep your eye on it so you can place alarms and stuff like that. Anyway, next pair. British pound, Australian dollar. So Australian dollar is getting weak. I won't touch this. I'm not going to waste my time. I will not waste my time. Yeah, no, I'm not liking this too much. I went long on this last week. Timed it a little wrong because I got in like up here. But I'm looking to short this pair. You son of a bitch. It's not... It's all good. I'll wait till tomorrow morning. Damn, you see that? That's an inverted hammer. That's a badass signal. That is a badass signal. Let's go to the hourly chart. Let's see what the hell it's showing me here. Yeah, it's being a little stubborn right now, so whatever. We'll wait. We shall wait. Let's look at the 4 hour. I'll just wait till the 4 hour close. Screw it. Nothing serious. Anyway, so this is what I'll be looking to do. I'm just looking to go. I'm not even going to put the box up. I'm looking to go short. So this candle closes. I'm shorting here and going down here. Looking to make about over 200 pips. So if this week goes appropriately, it's going to be way over 1,000 pips for the week. And this is just for trading tomorrow, leaving the trades run. This is not including the day trades as well. Maybe we'll do over 1,000. Who knows? Damn it, some more pairs I got to watch. So you see I have a big watch list. Damn it. All right. This pair kind of moved. Yeah, this pair moved. I thought it was going to come down here. But it just... If it goes up, then obviously... I mean, can I even draw a fib on this? I mean, if it goes up, whatever. Price does that sometimes. You got to let it go. You just got to let it go. Damn it. Sometimes price does that. Whatever. I don't give a shit. See where I could do this. Alright, anyway. We'll leave this one to the side. Not that interesting anymore. It turned me off. It turned me off. I wanted it to come down here before going long on it again. But it looks like it had other plans. Again, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. These pairs just might be the Japanese yen pairs. I mean, unless the Canadian dollar looks good to go long on. Again, inverted hammer right here. If this candle closes green. I'm going to go long, being that also I am kind of long on the Canadian dollar because I'm also shorting the British pound Canadian dollar, and I think I'm also shorting the US dollar Canadian dollar. We'll get to that. So yeah. So this is what I'll do with what is this, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Looking to go long. Sorry, I'm just like a little tired, but no excuses. The market does not sleep. Anyway, 50 pip stop loss. What is that? Almost 4 to 1. But I need this candle to close, which is in an hour and a half. Oh, God. USDCAD. Let's see this bad boy. Waiting for a reversal signal. Hitting daily resistance right here. So, bam. Same setup for the British pound, Canadian dollar. I'm not shorting on the EUROCAD. Yeah, just for the fact that let me see something on the EUROCAD. Hold on. Wherever the hell it is. Sorry, I'm on my MetaTrader 4, so give me a second. EUROCAD. Yeah, no, I don't like the way it looks. Anyway, so yep, looking to wait for a little push up on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. And then we shall go long. I mean short. We shall go short. So this is how it would look for me. If it closes, it depends where this candle closes. Let me delete that. Let's go hourly chart real quick. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Beautiful rejection candles, inverted hammer, pin bars. It is my dream. So yeah, I might be going short on this now. This is how it would look. Just so I get a really tight stop loss. And if I'm wrong, then whatever. This is nice. Almost 8 to 1. Yeah. Yep, so short US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, dropping. Damn it! I missed it. No, I'll probably go long if this closes soon again. Damn it! Damn it! I don't trade Sundays. I don't know why I don't. There's good opportunities. But yeah, so I'm going to go long on this pair. Shit. These all look delicious, man. Anyway, I'm logging the US dollar, Japanese yen. Soon. Not now, but soon. See where this closes. But you see how powerful this candle is, man? Like, it's just like the pin bar. It's just reversed, but it's as powerful. Anyways, last two pairs, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Looking along this as well, because I'm strong in the Canadian dollar, or I would like to be. See the hourly chart. So yeah. Let's draw a fib retracement real quick. See if this is gonna do anything. So you're at a fib level now. So we'll see how these candles close. Gotta pay attention to my Instagram. This is how I would like to do this. Something like that. So I'm long Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, just because I'm long Canadian dollar. US dollar, Swiss franc. Ugh. Sometimes I look at this pair and I'm disgusted. It's like, why do I even bother with you? Inverted hammer. This is something I'll probably just hold. This is a real stubborn pair. Like, this is a real ugly pair sometimes. It's just like a pair that you trade and you just don't even count on it. Like, it's like that friend that, hey, you want to hang out this Saturday, but you don't even rely on them. It's just like, whatever. You come. If not, I could care less. This is what the US dollar Swiss franc is to me. It's like a bad friend that I don't care about. Anyway, but sometimes, you know, they're okay to have a drink with. So, yeah, US dollar Swiss franc looks like a dickhead this week. But you know what? Why not? It doesn't really move that crazy for me to be taking, yeah, like this. I'll do that 3 to 1. Looks good. So you might see it range out for a little bit. Might come down, but I think it's going to come back up at the end of the day. Anyway, those are the pairs I will be looking at for the week. I'll have them typed down below. So stay tuned to my Instagram. Stay tuned to my TradingView page, and you will see all my trades up. My Instagram will show you my live trades, and that's basically it. So guys, have a great week. Leave your comments, criticisms, and any suggestions I can do to benefit, to make this channel a lot better. Thank you for watching, and good luck trading, and I hope you make a ton of money. Goodbye.